Welcome back to Guided Reading with Miss Oliver. I'm super excited to have you here with me today. Let's go ahead and jump right into our lesson. But before we do, let's make sure we have our things in place. The first thing we're going to need to take out are the two worksheets that we're going to work with for this lesson. The first worksheet says using nouns. You should see some words at the top, some sentences at the bottom with the little cat picture. That's worksheet 1. Worksheet 2, it should say nouns at the top. You should see a box at the top and a picture of some flowers at the bottom. So go ahead and take out these two worksheets. You're going to need a pencil to write with. You're going to need your book Feelings, the same book that we talked about in our last video. And lastly, you want to make sure you're in a quiet and calm space so you can focus and grow your brain. So if you need to pause the video to get your things together, please do so. If not, we can go ahead to the next slide. So what are we going to do in this video? We're going to review those same 10 sight words that we're going to talk about for the whole week. We're going to do part 2 of our lesson on nouns. And then we're going to read our book Feelings and answer some questions in the end. Jumping right into our sight word review. Repeating after Miss Oliver, the first word is eat, sat, after, saw, get, will, about, I'm, back, and then. One more time from the top. Eat, sat, after, saw, get, will, about, I'm, back, then. Awesome job. So jumping right into our lesson on nouns. In our last video, we talked about what a noun was. Who can remind me, what is a noun? That's right. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Awesome job. A noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. So an example of a noun would be this teacher. She's a person. This place, like our school building ethos. This thing, like this shoe. Or this animal, like this lizard. These are all nouns. Person, place, thing, or an animal. What is a noun? That's right, a person, place, thing, or animal. That is so right. We don't even need to talk about this anymore because you already know that a noun is a person, place, thing, or an animal. Person, place, thing, or animal. So let's go ahead and jump right into our worksheet. Independent practice time. Go ahead and take out your two worksheets and your pencil. The first worksheet says using nouns at the top, and the second one says nouns. So let's go ahead and take out our worksheet and our pencil. I'll give us 5 seconds. So for the first worksheet, using nouns with the cat on the picture, let's go ahead and write our names at the top so we can jump right into our worksheet. So the directions say, circle the noun. You're going to look at these words on the top part of the picture and you're going to think, which one is the noun? Mrs. Oliver is going to do the first row. Circle the nouns. I'm going to read the words and then I'm going to circle the word if it's a noun. Brother. Is brother a person, place, thing, or animal? It is. It's a person. So I'm going to circle the word brother. Run. Is run a person, place, thing, or animal? It's not. So I'm going to skip past that one. Chairs. Is chairs a person, place, thing, or animal? It is. Chairs are things. So I'm going to circle this one. Flowers. Is flowers a person, place, thing, or animal? It is. They're things. So I'm going to circle that one. And sit. Is sit a person, place, thing, or animal? It's not. So I'm not going to circle that word. So you're going to do that for the top part. So you're going to come to this next row and you're going to complete it yourself. Then after you finish that, you're going to come down to the bottom of the sheet where it says complete the sentences using the nouns from above. So you're going to take these words that you circled and you're going to plug them into the sentences. Mrs. Oliver is going to do number 1. This is my blank. Her name is blank. Which words would go good in this sentence? This is my blank. Her name is blank. So her is for a girl, so it can't be brother because brother is a boy. So I'm going to look at all the other words. Friend. This is my friend. Friend. This is my friend. Her name is Sarah. This is my friend. Her name is Sarah. So I took the nouns from the top and I plugged them into the sentences at the bottom. This is my friend. Her name is Sarah. So that's what you're going to do for all the other sentences. Once you finish this worksheet, you're going to move on to the second worksheet where it has nouns at the top and the flower picture at the bottom. So this worksheet, you're going to circle the nouns in each sentence. Miss Oliver is going to do sentence number 1. The cat is purring. What word in this sentence is a person, place, thing, or an animal? The cat is a noun, person, place, thing, or animal? Nope. What about cat? Person, place, thing, or animal? It is, so I'm going to circle this one. What about is? Person, place, thing, or animal? Nope. What about purring? Person, place, thing, or animal? Nope. So I'm finished with this sentence. The only noun in this sentence is cat. That's what you're going to do to all the other sentences. It may be more than one noun in the sentence, so make sure you read the entire sentence and go through the whole process. So you have about 8 minutes on this worksheet. Go ahead and pause the video right here so you can get started. We're bringing it back in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oops. So let's go ahead and put our worksheets and our pencil to the side. Miss Oliver's getting tongue-tied. Let's go ahead and put our pencil and our worksheets to the side and take out our book, Feelings. Mrs. Oliver's going to do the same thing. 5 seconds. Let's see if we can do it in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So feelings. Yesterday in our last video, we had a chance to go over our words to know, do our predictions, and you even had a chance to read. So now we're going to read the book together and you're going to lead. You'll read first and I'll follow. So let's go ahead and get our pointing fingers ready because we know good readers point at every word that they read. Starting with the title. Feelings. Awesome job. Feelings. Your turn. My turn. I have many feelings. My feelings change from time to time. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel kind of happy. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel very happy. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel kind of sad. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel very sad. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel kind of angry. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel very angry. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel kind of scared. Your turn. My turn. Sometimes I feel very scared. Your turn. My turn. I have many different feelings. Do you have many different feelings too? The end. So your predictions were right. You said that you think this book is going to be about a little boy and his feelings, and that's exactly what it was about. So let's go ahead and answer some questions on the book Feelings. The first question says, when does the boy feel happy? When does the boy feel happy? I'll give you 10 seconds to think about your answer. Make sure you look back in the book. When does the boy feel happy? When does the boy feel happy? That's right. The boy feels happy when he's flying his paper plane and when he's meeting his grandma. That's when he feels happy. Next question says, how does the boy feel when his cat is lost? How does the boy feel when his cat is lost? 10 seconds. How does the boy feel when his cat is lost? That's right. When his cat is lost, he feels very sad. The next question. What is the main idea of this story? What is this whole story about? 10 seconds. What is this whole story about? What's the main idea of this story? That's right, feelings. This whole story, the main idea of this story is about a little boy and the feelings that he feels. Next question. What is one way you can tell how someone is feeling? What is one way you can tell how someone is feeling? 10 seconds to think about your answer. What's one way you can tell how someone is feeling? That's right. What's another way? That's right. You can tell how someone is feeling by looking at their face. Because if they're crying, then maybe they're sad. If they look like this, then maybe they're angry. If they look like this, then maybe they're surprised. But you can tell how someone is feeling by their face. And you can tell how someone is feeling by how they say. They can just say, leave me alone. Then you would know that they're not feeling too good. You want to leave them alone. So you can tell how someone is feeling by their face and by how they talk to you. Last question. Listen to this sentence. I feel angry when someone pushes me. Which word means the same as angry? Sad, scared, or sad, scared, or sad. I put sad 2 times. So which word means the same as angry? Sad, scared, or mad? Maybe I meant to put mad. So which word means the same as angry? Sad, scared, or mad? Give you 10 seconds to think about it. That was a super fast 10 seconds. So which word means the same as angry? That's right, mad. Whenever you're angry, most likely you're mad too. So that is the end of our book and the end of our questions. Kiss your brain because you did an amazing job. I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye.